When it comes to the best free workout apps for women, several options stand out. One notable app is Caliber, which is ideal for guided or coach strength training. What sets Caliber apart is its focus on habit formation, workouts, and nutrition to help users reach their fitness goals. It offers detailed exercise video tutorials and weekly lessons, suitable for any experience level, allowing users to work out with a community or personalize their workout. Additionally, Caliber provides the option to pay for a coach to train for 3 months, with a money-back guarantee if no results are seen. Another great option is Map My Run, a top choice for running enthusiasts. This app is suitable for both men and women who enjoy running as a form of exercise. It tracks runs and progress, offers training tools, and allows users to customize their training and receive coaching. The app also syncs well with other fitness trackers and wearables, making it easy to find new running routes. Although it has a paid subscription, the free version is still adequate for many users. For beginners, MyFitnessPal is an excellent choice. This app focuses on nutrition, which is a crucial aspect of any fitness journey. While not exclusively designed for women, it provides nutritional guidance for all users, helping them track their food intake and customize their goals and meals. The app also offers 500 healthy recipes and 50 workouts, with both free and premium versions available. After considering these options, the top choice is Caliber, thanks to its guided strength training and money-back guarantee, making it an excellent workout concept for all levels. Overall, these apps provide a range of features and benefits to support women in their fitness journeys.